Welcome to a price action trading video where we show pre-market analysis, planning, as well as real-time trade entries and exits. If you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to our channel to not miss out on new videos that will help you to get better at trading. Having the opportunity to practice with real-time price action is key to get better trading results. We used the Trading Sim to reconstruct the trades you see in this video. Trading Sim allows you to practice the markets 24/7 and helps you to improve your skills faster than waiting for markets to open. Check out the link below to learn more about this platform. Without further ado, let's jump right into the trading lesson. We are looking at the pre-market action of ROKU. The stock is up over 17% from the previous day close. The first thing we do before the market opens is to mark the support and resistance levels. These areas are identified as areas where price hit multiple times. After looking at the pre-market action at the lower time frame, we take a look at the higher time frame, here the daily, to see the general trend of the stock. As you can see, ROKU has been going up since the beginning of the year and has now even broken over the highs after a longer consolidation phase. This highly suggests that the stock wants to go higher, so the trades you should be looking for are on the long side. I am also marking down a previous resistance level on the daily that has turned into a support area in the pre-market. This also suggests that the stock wants to go higher. Since the stock is pulling higher right at the open, my plan would be to wait for a pullback into the most recent pre-market consolidation area. The price action you'll see is sped up 3 times. It is good practice to stay away from the first 5 minutes after market open, since the volatility is extremely high. This makes it hard to identify good entries. I also removed the pre-market action since the moving averages and the VWAP are more accurate that way. Pay close attention to the price action and imagine how you would enter this trade. If you are more the aggressive trader, you could look out for a quick scalp over the purple VWAP line once the first 5 minutes are over. To make this a viable scalp trade for me, I want to see less volume after the big initial push, and I want to see the VWAP line holding. I see VWAP holding and thus buying with lower share size to lower my risk. My stop loss would be right below the last candle's body. Since this is a scalp trade, I will take my profits quickly with selling all of my shares. Now the time has come to sit on my hands to see if the price pulls back into the area I originally planned to buy. Again, pay close attention to the price action and try to imagine where you would enter your next trade. Price has pulled back to the opening price, which can act as a good support level. Price has built two swing highs, which is a perfect opportunity for me to draw a trend line. Trend lines are great in conjunction with already identified support and resistance areas. What I want to see now is a break of that trend line in the area I originally planned to buy. I want to see it tested at least 3 times before I would consider a trade. As you can see, the trend line broke at the third retest, but it was just a fake break as the price reversed quickly back down. This is exactly why you should wait for a third retest of the trend line. We are in my preferred area of buying. The 20 EMA is also coming in as a strong support. I get myself ready to buy a small amount of shares as soon as the trend line breaks. My stop would be below the next support area. As you can see, the price broke above the opening price and the 9 EMA with good volume and is now holding above that level, which is a good sign that the stock will go at least to the next resistance area. I am buying some more shares for the ride up to the next resistance area since I see the 9 EMA and the opening price level holding. I am selling most of my shares as soon as we reach the next resistance level. Now is the time to wait and see how the price reacts around this level and if we get another pullback. The price is pulling back to the opening price, which is another opportunity for me to buy more shares right at support. The number of shares I hold now will be lower though to protect my profits I made earlier. My goal is to sell those shares gradually towards the high of the day. I'm putting out the limit sell order towards the next whole number to sell half of my shares, as whole numbers likely react as resistance. I'm also putting out the limit sell order for my last chunk of shares towards the high of the day. And I'm out with all of my shares at the high of the day about 1 hour into the trading day. And here are the results for the day with a total profit of over 1.5k. If you like this video, please leave us a like and share your thoughts in the comments down below. If you want to learn more trading techniques and become a better trader, please consider subscribing to our channel and check out our free guide on our website start-online-trading.com. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in our next video.